Hello, my name is Donna Washington, and I'm the Manager of Career Counseling for Lone Star College-Kingwood. Within Career Services, we offer many resources to help you with your career exploration as well as finding a job. For career exploration, we offer the Focus 2 Career Assessment. Within this assessment, you just answer questions about yourself, and multiple majors and occupations are suggested based on your answers. You can book an appointment with me online to discuss your results. If you still need help with researching the occupations, you can consult the Occupational Outlook Handbook available online. If you need help with your resume and cover letter, we can critique those by email for you. You can also find templates on our website to help you. For interview preparation, we have a tool called the Perfect Interview on our website. You can also contact us for mock interviews. If you have any questions regarding your career needs, don't forget that you can contact us at kingwood.careerservices@LoneStar.edu. Thank you.
Be sure to follow us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to be notified about our latest content.